In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Outlook. So I'm here on my computer with Outlook open, and the first thing I'm going to do is move up to the top left corner and click on New Email. As soon as I click it, a new Compose window opens, and this is where I'll create the message and add the poll. Now that the email window is open, I move my mouse up to the top menu and click on the Options tab. The Options tab contains additional settings for the email, and this is where the voting feature is located. Once I click Options, I look for the button labeled Use Voting Buttons. I go ahead and click Use Voting Buttons, and a small list of preset voting options appears. These presets usually include simple choices like yes or yes, no, and maybe. If one of those preset options works for the poll I want to create, I can simply click it and Outlook will automatically add those voting choices to the email. But if I want to create my own poll choices, I can click Custom instead. When I click Custom, a new window opens called Voting and Tracking Options. Inside this box, I can type my own voting choices. The important thing here is to separate each choice with a semicolon. So I type my first option, add a semicolon, type the next option, and continue until all the choices I want are included. Once I finish entering the options, I click Close to apply the voting settings to the email. Now the poll choices are attached to the message. After that, I move back to the email and enter the recipient email addresses in the To field. I can also type a subject and message explaining the poll so recipients know what they're voting on. Once everything looks good, I move up and click Send. As soon as I click Send, the email is delivered to the recipients with the voting buttons included. When they receive the email, they'll be able to click one of the options, and Outlook will track their responses, and that's it. I opened Outlook, clicked New Email, went to the Options tab, selected Use Voting Buttons, chose or customized the voting options, added the recipients, and clicked Send. The poll is now sent through Outlook.